First chamber topics and material. The first chamber, also called first circle, consists of the main body of 22 lectures and some extra lectures after the completion of the cycle. The purpose of the first chamber is A. To teach students the science of self-knowledge and a practical way of working, and not just remain in theory. For this reason, several practices are provided and explained thoroughly on their application. Also in the first chamber, there are practices of meditation, runic exercises, mantra vocalizations, visualizations, etc. B. To prepare the individuals so that they can continue in the second chamber. The second chamber is the advanced level, and to participate, one must have completed the entire first chamber, agree with the teachings and practice them, and be willing to continue. There, we gradually teach another level of practices and esoteric activities. The topics of the first chamber are listed below. 1. What Gnosis is. 2. Essence of personality and the ego. 3. The awakening of the consciousness, the soul key. 4. The origin of ego. 5. The chakras and the mantrams. 6. The 5 psychological centers. 7. The world of the relationships. 8. The path and the life. 9. The level of the being. 10. The 10 commandments. 11. Fundamental education. 12. The genealogical tree of religions. 13. Revolution, involution, and revolution. 14. The ray of death. 15. Reincarnation, return, and recurrences. 16. The cosmic laws of karma and dharma, advanced level. 17. The 4 paths. 18. The esoteric constitution of the human being. 19. The transformation of the energies. 20. The elementals. 21. The initiation. 22. The restoration of the temple. To participate in the classes series, the student must have attended the previous ones as well and cannot attend in just some of them. Because the topics are interconnected and there is a continuation, one should take the first chamber from the start. E.g., classes 2 and 3 are very crucial to understand the Gnostic approach of working on oneself. First classes till 4 can be repeated for new students, but we do not accept late entries after the 5th lesson.